Good morning, guys. Umoto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys, for clicking. Oh my goodness, it's another day, another vlog. Yes, I'm standing here in front of my house, and guys, I am in a mess. I love telling you, vlogging about my lifestyle, everything that I do, and today is that day that I'm vlogging about my front yard. Guys, as you know, here in the US right now it's very cold. The yard is a mess. My grass is dry, so I don't know what to do, guys. And you know, I'm telling you, here in the US, if your grass is dry, guys, look at that. This is my grass. It's so dry right now. You can literally see the sand over here. Look, this is my yard, and this is not good with the city. So you can get a ticket, you can get fined, but the homeowners association here, they can give you a letter and warning you, hey, your yard is a mess, you need to go ahead and fix your yard. And that's what's happening to me. So I get a letter from the city telling me that, oh, your yard is a mess, you need to fix your yard. They gave me a warning. So today I'm on top of it. Okay, I am on top of it. I don't want to be arrested. So let me show you my yard and then tell you what I'm gonna do. Okay, guys, you can look at this. Is my front yard. I'm sorry. Okay, guys, you can see this is my front yard. You can tell literally it's a mess. Look at that. It's a mess. The grass is so dry. Of course, my trees are doing so well over here. Look, these are my trees, but my yard, you can literally see the sand. And the city, not the city, but the homeowners association is not happy with me at this point, because you literally, the grass needs to be green. But it's not only me, you can tell even my neighbors over there. This is the season where the grass is actually dry. Basically, there's nothing you can do, but they expect us to, you know, to fix our yard. My trees, this one, cypress trees, are doing so well. Guys, these trees have been here for 5 years, and you can tell they are getting taller. Let me show you how. My trees, all the way down there, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them here. Look at them. They look so beautiful. This is my front yard. I don't think I've done a video of my front yard. I think this is my first that I'm giving you even a tour, but I'm giving you a messy tour where my yard it's dry. So me and my hubby, so we are going to find a grass. So we need to plant new grass here. So we're going somewhere to find the grass. Guys, this is my front yard. This is how it looks like over here. So we are going to find a new grass so that we can plant new grass here. You can tell. So I'm giving you a tour, guys, of my front yard. So you're here in America. If your yard, guys, is not only me, you can tell the neighbors as well. Here in America, if you don't keep your yard to the certain level that they expect you to do, definitely you're going to get in trouble. You are going to get a ticket, you're going to get a warning, whatever. So you have to keep your yard dry. So guys, as you can tell, my yard, it's a mess. Guys, oh my goodness, look at that. I have other cypress trees here on this side, but you can see I have 3 of them here. And these 3 are not doing so well because the grass is so dry, as you can tell. And we have a spring grass here. This is one sprinkler on this side. I hope you guys can see. We do sprinkle water, but because, guys, I'm freezing because it's cold. And another sprinkler is here, right here. Yes, we do have sprinklers. And right now, as you can tell, even if you spray, literally we don't have grass. So we need to go find grass in our yard and fix our yard. So I wanted you guys to come with me. Let me show you my cactus. My cactus are doing so well, except I don't think, you guys you tell me how my cactus are doing so well, except this one. The last one, I don't know what's going on with you. The last one, it looks like it's drying. But hey, but the rest of the cactus, they're doing well. And this is my first time planting with the cactus. I just wanted to see if they can do any better here. But my main goal today, guys, was to show you my messy yard. Okay, let me take along, you come with me so that we can go find a grass to plant here. Well guys, I came inside. Basically it's really freezing, it's cold, but hey, let me grab my whatever so that we can get in a car and go hunt for grass, because guys, trust me, our yard is a mess. I need help. So before I get a ticket, let's get in a car, let's get around and see if we can find, you know, grass to plant. Come on along with me, you know I love you. Well guys, we're coming here to these colorways, flowers and nursery to check if we can find our grass. But hey, let's go in and check. They have this beautiful nursery here. Let us do planting, guys. Oh, these beautiful flowers. Wow. Guys, this is how this place looks like. They sell all kinds of lawn care. They have fertilizers. They have all kinds, guys. My gosh. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. I'm just giving you a tour what they have here. If you want to decorate your house, they have these beautiful stones. I really love these ones here. They have the white one right here. It's a decorative stones. They have all of them here. They have big ones if you like this size. They do have medium. Oh, this here, guys, this is store. Enjoy the store, guys. Oh my goodness, guys, look at this pot here. You can plant your flowers in here. I love them. Look at that. It's $149. This one here. Look at this one here. I love them. Really nice. This is $59. Look at this one here. Where are my planting people? Oh, this is for you. They have the black ones if you want to. Yeah, beautiful. Guys, enjoy. They have all the this is one type, guys, we're going to use. After planting, we're going to spray this one because we want our grass to look like this. So this is the pocket. This is one of the things we need. Oh well, guys, let me show you all the plants and flowers they have here. Let me know your favorite. This is the nursery. We're here inside the nursery. Guys, you can see all these plants. Let's do the planting. All of them, the hanging one. Up here they have this net here. It's a shade. So what's your favorite, guys? Look at this. I love this one right here. So this is my favorite area. So guys, really I'm planning to do my yard. So here in America, this is how they do this. They plant it for you. All you have to do is just bring your money, your dollars, and buy it. Something like this actually is $39. Guys, I'm not kidding. This is autumn embers. It's a dwarf one, but it's really nice. A front yard. I love coral autumn like this one. They're all $39 here. And then this other side here, this is Southern Living Plant Collection. right here is $39 as well, guys. If you love this one, it's $39. Look at these ones. I like the bird hanging right here. They have all kinds. They have, this one is Monrovia right here. It's as well $39. My goodness, they look like they're dry, but you know, if you like them, they're here. All these ones are what? Shades of pink vermin. These are shades of pink vermin farm snap. They're here. They're all $39.99. Look at this one, the Monrovia. They're just like purplish in color. I love them. I love them. Look at this Monrovia as well. Guys, look at this. They have these seeds. I think they're reddish. Pink seeds. This one is fully grown. It's green potworm. It's really grown. Guys, they have all kinds of seeds right here. Oh wow, guys, we used to have these flowers back home. Look at them here. Oh my goodness, look at this. If you're from Africa, Kenya, comment below, guys. Do you know these flowers? They're here. They used to be around our house. Like pretty much every home used to have this flower, the sunshine urbis, seasonal color. We used to have this, but I don't know if they still have it back home. When I go, I'll show you guys. I love it. Look at these ones here. They look like onions. Oh no, these are onions actually. Nursery is baldwin yellow, $9.99. These are flowers, but they look like onions. Oh my gosh, I love it, guys. Let's enjoy this. We're learning something here. We are learning this one. I think I know this one as well. It's a worker's low. It has purplish flowers. Look at that. I love it. This is another one that we love here. We have another one here. Looks like a forest. Guys, if you know flowers, I am so bad when it comes to flowers, but if you know, here you are. You may help me. Look at this one as well. Really nice.